ओम ग्रीं ग्रीं वेदाय सुगंधि पुष्टिवर्धनम गुरुवायुर्वंदनाम वेद मोक्षयमोमिता। इसी दिन in 100,000 years ago in Gujarat Somnath temples, Muhammad Ghaznavi attacked in 17th war. Muhammad Ghaznavi destroyed the Somnath temple, and who is very a stronger position to attack and destroy the temple, but the Somnath temple is protected and not any कुछ भी नहीं हुआ उसको सोमनाथ टेम्पल मंदिर को। एंड दैट्स टाइम सोमनाथ टेम्पल इज वेरी प्रोटेक्टेड एंड डिवोटी इज गोइंग टू दैट गुजरात द सोमनाथ टेम्पल एंड वर्शिप द गॉड शिवा एंड pray the god Shiva, and this temple is now very famous in this day, and every devotee going to that temple and worship the god Shiva and then मुंह मांगा वरदान लेते हैं गॉड से। सो दैट्स व्हाई आई से दैट anyone any person cannot believe to God and harmful and destroy and attack the God is अंत होता है उसका। तो कहते हैं ना कि जो गॉड काम करना चाहता है उसका अंत होता है। जैसे इन एवरी सिचुएशन लाइक दैट प्रहलाद, Hiranyakashipu is also dead, Ravan is also dead, Kumbhakarna is also dead, Aurangzeb is also dead, Muhammad Ghaznavi is also dead. In Itihas history, every person attacking more than destroying the God temple is always all person is dead, and no one in that time in history list. So this day is very important for the Sanatan Hindu and celebrated all Hindu in this day, and like that 2026 first January first सोमवार Monday, and worship the going to temple and worship the God Shiva, because this day is personally for the God Shiva, because this is two reasons. One is 1,000 years old ago, 100,000 years old ago, Muhammad Ghaznavi attacked and destroyed the Somnath temple, and that time 2026 month of 2026 first Somvar for the gifted allotted to the God Shiv. So that's why this two mentioning position this time is very important for the all Hindus and Sanatani. So I requested to every person to sleep the bed, sleeping on night, sleeping the bed and going to bath washing face wash and going to temple and pray the God, and take one lota and water to and dispose the water on Shiv God and pray the God कि every person in health and wealth, and my country all peaceful, peace, because that time peaceful environment is very important for the all people, because peace is very dangerous in that time. Like that every person is cruel to each other, and every country and world is particular. That's why every person to God Shiva to be think God Shiva to God Shiva positive minded to send some message to some people कि no that types of behavior behavior is not good in that time. So every person is brotherhood, peaceful, peace. That time is very important. Mentally wisdom, and mentally behavior is brotherhood and peaceful, and that situation is like that brotherhood, not a quarrel to each other, and like that Ukraine, Russia is very long time to use, and that's why not profit for the country, it is loss for the country, because one person dead to another person, one person threat to another person, one person react to another person. This is not good. That time is critical situation of facing the whole world and all world Bharat. That's why only God is protect the whole world and whole Hindustan and Bharat. So that's why every person going to temple every morning and pray the God, because positivity and when pray the God, some energy vibration is created, and this vibration and energy created to this person and in environment and peace for the whole world. Like that, some people going to temple, and 1 month ओम त्रिविक्रम सुगंधित पुष्टि घटना मिलते मोक्ष remember that, and another types of mantra. So that month to vibrates, and this energy create a grateful solution, and this dispersion and बिखरा हुआ फैला हुआ इन environment and atmosphere, and this month is peaceful for the society, world, and all the dharma. So that's why every person, I request to every person going to temple every time and everywhere and every morning and pray the God. So only solution give that time is only for the worship the God. No anyone solution to without to worship the God. This time is only worship the God. Without worship, nothing is possible, because that time is very critical situation. Without any worship, people is very people भटक गए हैं, बिना पूजा के संभव नहीं हो सकते। Without worship, not possible to world is peace. So that's why I हाथ जोड़कर विनती करते हैं, अनुरोध करते हैं, हम भी रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि गोइंग टू टेम्पल एंड फॉर peace world peace for the world, to worship the God, and humbly request to worship the God. So every person go to temple and pray the God and mantra jap. So that's why the word peaceful wisdom and believe the God, and everything is okay. Nothing will happen. Then you are not going to temple, then different types of critical situation is happened in the world, like that earthquake, tsunami, very different types of weather, climate change, environment pollution, very different types of critical situation is created in this world. So that's why every person going to temple and worship the God, because without God, everything is not okay. So that's why everyone going to temple, one will worship the God. God is available, and God is all things smoothly, success, and whole world peace. So that's why all person going to temple and pray the God. ओके, थैंक यू। देखिए, हम अनुरोध करना चाहते हैं कि सभी पर्सन मंदिर में जाए, मंदिर में पूजा पाठ करे और भगवान से प्रार्थना करे कि इस वर्ल्ड को, इस विश्व को, इस संसार को व्यक्ति में सद्भावना हो, भाईचारा हो, ब्रदरहुड हो, पीसफुल हो, तो हमारा देश, हमारा विश्व शांति हो। जैसे यूक्रेन में युद्ध चल रहे हैं, रशिया में युद्ध चल रहे हैं, अमेरिका में कुछ हो रहे हैं, तरह तरह के डिफरेंट सुनामी आ रहा है, अर्थक्वेक हो रहा है, एयर पोल्यूशन हो रहा है, बहुत सारा घटित हो रहा है, लोग अपने में लड़ रहे हैं, कट रहे हैं, किसी को कोई गोली मार रहा है, रेप कर रहा है, तो ये सब कैसे होगा? ये सब अब आदमी का बस का बात नहीं है, क्योंकि वो सतयुग में भी आदमी ने नहीं किया था, द्वापर में भी आदमी ने नहीं किया था, त्रेता में भी आदमी ने नहीं किया था। किसी न किसी युग में कभी कृष्ण ने जन्म लिया था, कभी राम ने जन्म लिया था, कभी शिव बाबा ने जन्म लिया था, कभी कृष्ण, कभी कोई अवतार होते गया था। तो इस समय भी हम लोगों को जहाँ तक हमें लगता है कि पूजा ही वर्षिप ही करना जरूरी है, और कोई न कोई सोल्यूशन भगवान हमें देंगे और हम लोग को इस जीवन में राहत मिलेंगे। क्योंकि इस समय हमारे देश में बहुत क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन चल रहा है, हमारे वर्ल्ड में बहुत क्रिटिकल, संसार में क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन चल रहा है, हमारे परिवार में क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन चल रहा है। तो आप लोग से हम अनुरोध करना चाहते हैं जितना हो सके सुबह सुबह पूजा पाठ करें और भगवान हमें सोल्यूशन देंगे। थैंक यू। ओम नमः शिवाय। हर हर महादेव। सबका संकट कटे मिटे, सब पीड़ा दुख हर ले महादेव। हर हर महादेव। बस इतना। थैंक यू।